How to block WhatsApp number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Then, simply select the chat or the person you want to block. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options. Click on Block, which is the last option. After you've clicked on Block, click on Block again. You can also report the message if you want. After you do that, you're good to go. As you can see, you blocked this contact. But if you want to block a business account, simply open the chat of the business account, then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. Click on More at the bottom. After you've clicked More, click on Block. After you click on Block again. You can report as well. After you do that, you're good to go. You can delete the chat if you want to by pressing on Delete Chat at the bottom as well. This is how to block WhatsApp number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.